So quickly, this is USDA by Addplus, USDA Airdrop by Addplus, and it's very simple. It is very simple. So if you are seeing this video now, quickly join and start mining. So what you need to do is to come down here. When you click on the link that's going to be in the description box of this video, or my first pinned comment, or on the Telegram platform, if you're on a Telegram platform, you're going to come here and going to click on connect to your X, just like this, and it's going to redirect you to your Twitter or X account, and it's going to authenticate the connection. So if you're new to my vlog channel, you're most welcome. My name is Susan, and this is where I share everything crypto trading, airdrop mining updates, how to earn money on the side, how to get Web3 job, how to yap properly on Twitter and earn. And for this is the channel you want to say subscribe to for hot updates. So yeah, you come down here and you click on authorize app, and you can see that mine has connected successfully. So you come here, you click on claim. Now these are the things you need to do. You need to do the stacks, follow points, that is follow on X, like and retweet, share your invitation link, and add plus to X name, blah blah. So I'm just going to click on this. Now if you're mining airdrop, you know that you do not necessarily need to do the stacks. You just need to click on it and go back, and you are going to claim, right? If I've been doing a lot of airdrop taxi, I did not follow them. Actually, I just clicked on the link and then I came back and this claim was there. So I'll do it again for the second one. Just click back, and you do that for all other tasks that are here. So let me do that and get back to the video. So once you are through, you just need to come down here and click on claim, just as such, and it's going to be claimed. So presently USDA is on season one, and this is their season one rewards. This is what they say that season one reward is going to be. Scroll up like this, you are going to see the users, people that are already on this project, right? And you're going to see your invitation link here. So you're going to come down here and also copy your invitation link. Yes, you copy your invitation link and then see where I am on the leaderboard. I'm very sure by later tonight this is going to get boosted. So it's a lot of people are already here and already in their tax. All you need to just do for now is to connect your X account and do the tax, those tax I showed you, and invite your friends. That is all you need to do for now. So when there are more updates, I'll definitely come back here to share them. So these are videos you want to see. Please do me well to subscribe. Always leave me comments. I will definitely respond to them irrespective of how many times you ask. And remember to join the Telegram platform. So see you in another update. Bye for now.